Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn the post notifications on. And today what we're gonna Alright guys, look, this is how it's coming out to be. This is how it is currently right now. Look at all that. I can't believe how these people were in this car. Nice working car, look at that. A little bit of cleaning just with the vacuum. It's still brown, but look at the difference. It's all dirty here, clean over here. Once we get it with the steam vacuum, the carpet cleaner, all that, all this is gonna go away. It's gonna look way better. Well, I don't know about all of it, but most of it should go away. Then we're gonna be doing the rest of this, the rest of the bottom right here, vacuuming it, steaming it, and doing all the work on the dash and the rest of it. This is how it looks right now. Super dirty. Super. But yeah, we'll come back once we get all this out and cleaned up. Alright guys, it's all vacuumed now. See, look at that before and after, already crazy. And then I know from back here you can see the before and after of the take the extractor out, so they can see the difference of the rug. Like, look at this, the right side, look how black it is. And then I did those stripes, I don't know why, but left and right, you can see the difference. We haven't done that middle part right there yet, but look at that. To that, big difference. So now we just gotta do that side, and then the middle and the back right here, and that's it. That's it for that. And then gotta clean all the plastics we took out and all that, the seats, and yeah. Alright guys. Alright guys, so we're right now scrubbing the back down. All that's coming out. Chocolate. Then how the front come out a little bit better. Getting dry now. And yeah. So we got so far. After we get this inside done, we're gonna get the outside done, and we'll be back at it.
Alright guys, she's all clean, the whole dash and everything. Middle console, the doors, the floor. It didn't come out like brand new, but it still looks way better than what it was. Cause look at that. Back cleaned out real good too. The panels, all of it. But yeah, now we're gonna start putting on the seats, front seats, back seats, and just leaving the doors open so it could dry. And yeah, that's about it. And then we're gonna start doing the outside. All right, guys, this is the finished product. And how this goes back. Okay. And the outside too. We clean the outside, man. She's shining. I didn't know she was gonna come out looking like this. Next video, we probably, I don't know, not even a video. We probably just fix that off camera and shit, but I'm over here thinking it's my car and shit. Nah, but yeah, came out good. Came out really nice. Then the back came out real good for her. This is what fucking decided me. Like, shit. I don't know what happened here, but hey, if you see back in the video, you can see the difference. And then in here too, man, it's just deep clean for real. Like deep clean. I never done this shit for a car. It's my first time, and not last. Alright guys, since y'all see, this is the finished product of our build, of our efforts, you know what I'm saying? A couple hours up on this build. Well, not build, up on this cleaning. But yeah, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for this video and for other future videos. And yeah, I'll see you. Stay tuned.